wait. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Me, the goat. Yes, the goat. It's me, the goat. So, now that I know that you're watching me, why don't I introduce you to myself? I am Did Goat 7. Oh my god, I think I just twisted my head. That nice? Ugh. Ugh. Wait a second. Something's not right. It is me, the goat. But this time, am I a goat? Or am I someone who summons your worst nightmares? Look at me in the eyes. Oh my god. Look at me in the eyes. Now, or this shall happen. I am a tornado. I have turned into a tornado. Don't mess with me. I am a tornado. I fling fences together. I am a tornado. Come to me, my dear friends. Come to the tornado. As you can see, I have proof. I am a tornado. Ouch! I'm getting hit by my own weapons. Got bomb, bomb, bam, bam, ouch. Now that you know who I really am, it's time for you to do the one and only mission I have for you that requires what you are watching now. Like right now. Look at me. Look at me. I've twisted my neck just to look at you. So look at me. Look at me. Oh my god, it looks cool. Look at me now. I have died because you did not do it. You should know what to do. Every YouTuber tells you that. Fine. If you're so mindless, no offense, but if you're being so mindless, I shall tell you what your one and only mission is to leave a like and subscribe, or I, the tornado goat, boom, will come to your house. Ow, ow! Viewers, are you throwing that basketball at me? Have you got no respect? Get up! Stop throwing the basketball at me! Stop throwing the basketball at me! No. I've been hit. Viewers, why are you so mean to me? I just wanted you to subscribe. It's my first day on YouTube and I'm already dead. Oh my god. Fine. Treat me like this and I shall fight my own kind. Tornado power. Come at me, bro. Push. Bing. The bang and bang and bang. The bang and bang and bang. The bang and bang. Oh, now you think now you finally think you know who's tougher than me. I am the king. This is why you should subscribe. Because it just showed you are such a tough goat. Even my crown doesn't disappear. So subscribe. Leave a like. Turn on notifications. Or I shall rule this world. Imagine this was you and your wife. If you don't subscribe, boom! Get out of here. That's what happens if you do not subscribe. And if you do not subscribe, look at me. Wait a second. This is better. Look at me in the eyes. Look at me in the eyes. Oh, wait a second. I'm a robot. Fancy. Oh, my face doesn't disappear. My crown. My one and only crown. My crown. I died just because I didn't get my crown. Just kidding. You think I'll die like that? Boom. Bing. Oh, my crown is teleporting. Hey, can you stop? Crown, can you stop flying away, please? For once. Boom. Bah. Oh. Oh my god, stop flying away. Okay, fine. Oh yeah? Oh. Guys, I think someone's looking at me with caution. Well, this is why he's looking at me with caution. Boom, I can punch. I can punch. Boom, I can punch. Oh, look at me caution it just now. Boom! Get in that fence. Sorry for being violent, but he deserves it. He was looking at me with caution. I'm just oh my god. Oh, that's how you want it, eh? Why don't I drag you with my rope coming out from my hand, making me look like costume man for Trevor Henderson? Look at me again. Did I get that right? If I did, please leave a thumbs up. Nothing but an old the ritual. Come on to the middle, sir. As I ruin this go challenge. Let me just get this. Oh, you tried to run. I'll just come here, man. I little McAfee. McAfee. Nice name. Can I go to it? McAfee. If you didn't get the joke, I'm very sorry. Wait a second. There's no damage? Where's all the damage? Yes. My duty. Oh. Wait a second. Whoa, this guy. I'll trash the ghost dance for you. Ruin my cultural heritage. Hey, come on, McAfee. Don't make me. Yes, you know what's coming. This is coming. Oh, hail me. Wait a second, my crown just teleported onto my head. Oh, it's fun. Don't make me use my tornado power to smack you. Got a bomb. Big great. Kinamash badabli. Oh, you treat me like that? Kaboom. Oh, you trying to escape? Oh, your legs are hanging from the fence. Oh. Look at my brothers and friends with caution, and my sister who's hanging in my house. Boom! Take that. Oh, I fly. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I just wanted to have a party. No, let me find other parties. Oh, the woman is dropped. Dig into the video if you want to see that woman dropping. Oh. Are you looking at her? Are you showing some respect? Even the goat shows respect. Hey, guys, let's have a party. I am so ready for this. Look at me. Now, I won't talk. Because now, it's time to focus on music. Let me just bing. So fun. Now I'm just going to then I change. Now I am back to a tornado. I still want that crown. Let me see what I can. Ooh. Hey guys, do you wanna know something fun? I'm going to have a gun. Do you want to see proof? Well, I'll show you proof. This is proof. I have forgotten. Okay, if that point of what you just saw was bad, please say bad in the comment section below. Hey you, give me your money. I see money. I've got it. I've got the money. It says look money. Now, let's get a fake friend. And who doesn't love fake friends? Where's my ragdoll friend? Where is ragdoll friend? Hey! Oh, money? I think he's stuck, and I think my head is in. Bada bum, bada boom. Oh, why is it not working? Give me my ragdoll friend. Boom. This machine seems to have problems. Never mind, we've got other fun things to do. Oh my god, Michael Bay kaboom! Kaboom! Michael Bay, I know what to do. Of course, get a friend. Hey! Finally, a friend. Idea Drift. Come on, Drift. We've got things to do. I hope you would like to meet my family. If you don't want to, I'll be upset. Yes, thank you. I brought you a friend. I brought my friend a girlfriend. Bada bing. Sis, I'm looking for. I'm looking for sis. Can anything bore you today? Oh no, sis! I'm so sorry. Don't die on me. Oh, sis, I'm gonna save you. Oh. Yay, you made it! I'm so sorry, sis. I'm really sorry. Now, this is the best place to get my revenge. Do you know why? No pointy fruits. Carrots are good for your eyes. I shall summon the whales upon you. The whales that you do not like. Now, it's time to summon the most hated, biggest mammal in the world. I mean, it's not hated, but this game it will be. Wait for it. Oh my god! They're coming! Oh my god, those birds are big. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh god, this whale is having a fun time. Oh, and he's dead. Oh my god, what just happened? What? None of the people did? Wait a second. Am I seeing this or is that woman in the whale? No. No. It can't be like this. No. Never. Whoa. This. That's the end. A goat among legends. Oh. Wow, I'm flying. Oh, no, I missed. What's a goat among legends? There must be coffee stain. The creators of this game. Oh, running up a crate. No. Oh, I shouldn't. No. My revenge. Boom. Finally, my revenge has been taken. I blew up the tracks of taking revenge against humanity. Stop. I'm so stuck. I'm stuck. What is happening? Am I stuck? No. What's gonna happen? Oh, no, I'm not stuck. Okay, that's good that I'm not stuck. Let me help you. Latin man. Let's fly. Get out of here. Boom. I don't want to see you. Yes, run. I don't think you're gonna. Oh, he did make it. Hey, sir, I think you have a problem. You didn't go in. I don't think you went into that hole. Plus, what does this hole do? Get in. No. He's using his smart ability. Oh, okay. Come on, Zlatan man. Time for you to face. What's your time to the goats? Wait a second. What did I do? Boom. Whoa. I survived this. I survived what was needed. Oh. Okay. He's in a rock. It's none of my business. Oh, and why is there a bottle? Can you see it on top of the fence? Why is there a bottle? I'm finding a lot of suspicion and I survived again. I like this goat. I'm not survived. I'm not a survivor after all. But no, I can roll down a rock and get my head stuck. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. Wait, did I just go through that rock? Amazing. I have powers too. Oh, Mario Kart. Mario. Oh. Hey, a second. This is hopeless. But guys, just a tip. I know how to open that thing. Follow me. So, I'm gonna. Oh, the woman's on fire. Congratulations. Climb up this ladder. To the hole. Oh, I'm running up the wrong thing. The hole. Aha. You get this portable hole. I'm playing on device, just saying. I'm using devices. Something blew up. Oh, how did I like that? Wait, can I wrestle this hole? I'm wrestling him. Oh, he's wrestling me. Oh, no. Oh, back. Oh, that guy's spinning. Let me try that again. Yeah. Oh, not a spinning. Oh, super spinning. I love it. I like your style. Ping pong. Oh, we have to go second round. Second round, not the loopy, but bring this hole to the Mario pipe. Boom. There's that hole. Now get your butt in that hole and remember, this is where you get anti-gravity goes. This is device, not computer. Oh, just saying again. A very good reminder. Hey, boom. I think you needed that. Yes, fly for me. Oh, whoa! Wait a second. You're messing up your PC. What games you got there? Huh? Hey, why are you looking at files? Let me see what's here. Oh, do you want to see my butt? Oh, no. Hang on. No. I want to see what's on the PC. Bye, PC. I'm gonna fly. That scared me like real bad. Basketballs? Swing them. Swing, 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 swing. Don't mind, I'm gonna get my way up there. Oh wait, no. Yeah. Come on, give me my goat. Give me my astronaut goat. No, there has to be a new goat in my inventory. I've already completed all the other goats. Oh, I hope this doesn't give me any mutations. Oh, Oh, I don't feel good after eating that grass. I feel like, oh, too much radiation. I've turned into an alien after jumping out of the world. Radiation. Too much radiation. The whales? Yes, I've got radiation. Oh, that didn't sound good. Guys, did you hear that? Oh, I slammed that dude into the ground. Best thing ever. Oh, Coffee Stain, what's up? I like this game. I just need to thank you a lot. And the real creators of the game, thank you. Thank you for making this. It's hilarious. Oh, my head touched. Oh, my neck softened. That was looking a bit cringe. Hey car, don't mind if I blow you up. Backflip, double backflip indeed. Coffee Stain, what's up? Oh, I just broke that table. I broke down everything there. Ooh, cars. Or like... Oh, I didn't like that. My neck got crack. Real bad. Oh, I can't get in. This guy's so tall. I can't get in. Oh, I can climb. Oh, this is good. Oh, I lost my balance there. Jump. Go backwards. Moonwalk. Moonwalk. Oh. No. Got it. Oh, those pointy shoot people are still alive. Oh my god. Running. Oh, that woman. You're a menace. You're a menace in this video. You pushed me as if I was nothing. Stop trying to act like you're so strong. Come here, sissy. I got you now. Come on. Be good now. Am I in the ground? Nope, I can. But I made you fly. Come here. Oh, I stepped on you. Come on, Miss Creed. My tongue is invisible. I like it. It makes me look like gravitation powers. Levitation powers. Oh, I grabbed you by the leg. I can tell by you flipping. So let's go. Oh, slow down the video and watch that again. I dare you. I dare you. Slow down the video and watch this. Oh my god, you're such a good stun. They're perfect for stun videos, you know. This Creed, I like your stuns. Oh, careful for the bomb though. Creed. Oh, flat on the face. Oh, you trying to grab the bomb? Oh, I just saw it. I saw 2 bombs. Are these yellow things my eyes? If they are, I hope those are not my brain. Because it will look weird if that's my brain. Come on, you were making it. Come on. Yes. Just do a flip, flop, slap, up, and a blah, 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 blah. Come on. If I jump backwards, will you jump? Come on. Come on. You can do it. Don't make me walk there. I've already got mutation. Wait a second. Were you that woman from the lab? You were the one who smashed into the table. Okay, I'll give you a chance because you smashed into your own table. Get out of here before I grab you again. It's your only chance to run. Wait a second, she's invincible? What? Wait. She's saying she's invincible. I'm gonna go trap me in. Oh my god, I didn't like that screen. Am I dead? Oh no, I'm dead. My brain, my eyes, it stopped smashing around, and my fingers stopped clutching. If I stand up, and you see, my eyes are moving, my fingers are clutching, and at some point, oh, I didn't know I could look down on that. Wait a second, is that crown my skull? Is that crown my brain? Wait a second, you can't see the crown, but if you look inside my head, oh, my eyes stopped moving, my fingers stopped clutching. I told you. Oh, but if you look inside me, the crown is in my head. It makes me feel like that's my brain. My brain is what makes king. I am king. Wait, okay, see? Guys, see. My eyes are, oh. Okay, look at me and see. My eyes are looking gradually gross, and if I jump, my fingers clutch, okay? Now look, my fingers are clutching, my eyes are moving. Okay, they're still clutchy. They're still clutching. My eye is still bubbly and disgusting. Look, oh, I told you, they stop. My system stops every time I fall. My system stops after a few bundle of seconds, which is not what I like. Ooh, hey guys, anyone wanna walk up this? Hey, I want. Right. Can I just go up in peace? Ah, a trophy. Nothing more better than a trophy. 14 out of 20. Which slide? Comment down in the comments below. For this slide that I'm facing, click R, and for this slide here, click L, right and left. Wait, no. Just do it. Sorry, I got my right and left wrong, but okay. Just do it. Now, let's skibabadoo and fly down. Oh my god. Oh. Jump from mattress to, oh, my head got stuck in a rock. My fingers are still clutching. My eyes still bubbling. Oh. Oh, this is fun. I'm going up and down the slide. Like, I'm going down the slide and I just bounce back up. Oh. I'm stuck. On my fingers, I'm still alive. Good. Heart rate is still going. Please don't stop. I'm gonna check my eyes. Oh. System stopped. JK is still alive. Why don't I go for a jump? I hope I can fit through this. I can't. Wait. Mutation. Reducing. Mutation. What? I think I'm gonna pass out. I didn't like it. Okay, I feel much better, and we're finally at the top of this thing. Top, I mean, not top. And the sun is still shining, so 3, 2, 1, backflip, and oh, I didn't like that. I'm flying. I'm so angry. I'm showing my butt to the viewers. Stop showing your butt to the viewers. Oh, something pushed me. I'm moving. Oh my god, I caused such mass destruction because of that trampoline fail. Even this thing came down. Is this supposed to be bucket hit challenge? Mine? I'm gonna. Oh my god, I ripped up this whole place just because of the bad fall. Yeah, wait. Oh, you saw nothing! Oh, I wall jumped? That's cool. Should be cool. Hi, you. Don't mind me. Can I touch your puzzle piece? Ma'am, may I touch your puzzle piece? Don't look at me. Okay, thanks. Can you touch it? Oh, nothing happened to you. Aha! Get hit by the table. Oh. I go into the floor? Please let me. I really want to go into the floor so I can. No. I can't. Oh. Don't look, you're trying to steal money. Oh, look. Oh, what was that? Wait. Oh, I didn't know what just happened, but that was one loud bang. Oh, okay. We went to sleep. Ooh, wait. This mattress is protecting me from taking what is needed. I need this tube. I'm going to blow up. Now, anyone who dares try to hit me will face the consequences. I am a self-destructible good now. The truck. I will get another one. How dare that truck steal my self-destruct system? He's trying to save all the people in this town from me self-destructing myself. I'll show them. Yes. Yeah. I jumped and licked. Oh. Let's go. Let's do ourselves. Whoever's gonna hurt me is gonna get the consequences. Whoever's gonna hit me gets consequences. Just saying. Well, I'm trying to dig up my ancestors' bones. Oh, the deep on fire. Oh, he's bouncing around on some fire. I'm crying with a spade. I didn't think people use spades to gun the stairs. Oh, this woman's still dead. Oh, I'm so sorry. Wait a second. Oh, I flicked you. Like you were nothing. Oh, that thing multiplied into 3 now. Hey, gang. Come on, guys, join the party. Hang on. Oh, being mean? That's what you get for being mean to me. Oh, second, what is that in the distance? It's glowing orange. I'm gonna check that out once I get another. Oh, it's Cube's invincible. I mean, he's invisible. Wait a second. Wait. I should chase after my bomb. Oh, she missed. Oh, I'm dancing because I didn't get to hit you. Boom. What you get? Are the guys missing because you didn't get blown up? What? I got you caught. Oh, you are so sorry. I'm not moving. Your legs are not moving. Oh, shit. This is what you get for partying when I didn't get to join you. You be on fire. You think you want your mommy? Well, he's marrying grass. I'll go find another bomb. I'll really find one. Hey, woman of the tractor. I thought you got bombs. Oh, you're so kind. Thanks for giving me a trophy. Oh, woman, why do you have to put the bomb at the top? It's sliding me to get it. Elevator, launch me. No, elevator, why do you blow it up? I used to do a backflip. Oh yeah, I'm running out of time. My video back. Have you subscribed? See you next time. Wait, sorry. Subscribe now.